Step inside a home where every room tells a story, rich in texture, layered with color, and filled with details you'll want to pause and take in. From antique finds to bold global fabrics, this is timeless design with a soulful twist, inviting, unexpected, and effortlessly elegant. This home is designed by Cunningham, is a home that blends traditional English charm with a quietly confident style. The interiors are rich with texture and personality, where every room feels considered but never overdone. Rather than leaning on trends, the decor favors timeless elements, warm textiles, patterned wallpapers, and layers of color that make the home feel both welcoming and lived in. The walls are dressed in a mix of painted finishes and beautiful wallpapers, while soft furnishings feature globally sourced fabrics like icots, Cezanis, and vintage Conta quilts. These are paired with antiques and collected artworks that bring a sense of history and depth to the space. The home feels cohesive yet full of unexpected details, from fabric-covered walls to curated carpets and decorative trims that create visual interest in every corner. What makes Riverside House especially captivating is how it respects its architectural heritage. Rather than altering its bones, the design enhances what's already there, allowing original features to shine while adding warmth through layering. The atmosphere is calm and elegant, but far from sterile. It's the kind of house where you notice something new every time you walk into a room. Interestingly, the house sits close to the water, and many of the rooms are designed to maximize views of the surrounding nature. Natural light plays a key role in the interiors, softly illuminating the textures and details that Lucy Cunningham is known for. The result is a home that feels both elevated and deeply personal, a refined retreat that reflects its owners as much as its designer's unmistakable touch.